my student, please comment hashtag if you are eBay student, hashtag Amazon student, hashtag newbie. So right now we are like 161 viewers. I'm so excited for na mag-start tayo in this free webinar, and I will make sure that you guys will gonna learn a lot in this free webinar. Okay, please, if you're my student, hashtag eBay student, hashtag Amazon student, hashtag newbie, and then later on I will answer if you have any questions. Feel free to comment in our comment here. Okay, so we have Amazon here, Shopify, we have Aspiring. Okay, good. Okay, so let's start. So hello everyone, welcome to our free webinar all about dropshipping, Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. So I'm Divine Grace Corsio. I'm entrepreneur, a virtual assistant and coach of Filipino virtual assistants. So if you are new in my page, I am a coach of Filipino virtual assistants. I coach Amazon and eBay and also freelancing. So if you want to learn more or to see more free webinars, please like my page, and you will see there in our live or videos, you can see I have a lot of videos about e-commerce, about freelancing, about Amazon, eBay, online arbitrage like Poshmark, Mercari, also about Facebook Marketplace. So I have a lot here. So that's why feel free to check all my videos, because I'm sharing, real, tasks of a virtual assistant, and also I'm sharing my experience as an entrepreneur, because although I am a Filipina, but I'm living right now in California. So I do online selling for since 2016. So that's why, and mostly I started do drop shipping 2016 also. Okay, so in this webinar, you will learn what is dropshipping, difference between Amazon, eBay, Shopify dropshipping. And you will learn also advantages and disadvantages, or the pros and cons of each platforms. You will learn also tools that you can use in product research, and how to know if this is a dropshipping product. Okay, so what is dropshipping? So dropshipping is no more upfront inventory cost or shipping logistics. So wala ka ditong puhunan kagad. With dropshipping, products are sent directly from your supplier to your customers. So in dropshipping, wala kang product na hawak. So pag may bumili na customer, ibibigay mo yung details ng customer to your supplier or wholesaler. And then yung supplier mo ang mag-ship sa yung customer. So that's why this is very napaka-easy na business model. So dropshipping, your customer place an order from your online store. Your store automatically send the order to your dropshipping supplier. Your dropshipping supplier prepares your customer's order, and your dropshipping supplier will ship the order directly to your customer. Okay, so what are the benefits of dropshipping? So this is a low risk. So bakit? Wala tayong puhunang malaki kagad dito. So as long as you know what you know what you were going to sell, um, ano mo na siya, wala ka munang ilalabas na pera. But once there is a customer that going to buy, in your listing or in your product na nasa store mo, then that's the time you're going to buy it and ship it to your customers. So that's why it's low risk. So relationship. So this is also a benefit of the dropshipping, because once you are delivering a good, customer service, you ship the item fast or in time, there will be a relationship. And I really experienced that, na meron ako mga retain or repeat customers because of that. That's why it's very important to have a good relationship also to your suppliers, or kasi if you know the policies, the shipping policies, the return policies, you know how to handle it and have your own policy to give to your customers. And this is also scalability. So very, very fast. So once you already know what are the best-selling products, what are your winning products, alam mo na paano mo siya i-handle. So it means dun ka dapat focus. So it means mabilis kang mag-scale, mas mabilis kang kumita. Okay, so what is Shopify? So Shopify is a retail shop in which customers are driven by trusting the shop or brand and buying the products that they trust the retailer to list on their store. So think of it this way. So yung Shopify, ito yung website na sarili mong brand or sarili mong pangalan. And then they will buy to your store dahil may tiwala sila sa inyo. So, in Shopify, it's very important the branding. If you know the branding is yung pagkakakilanlan mo. So, for example, when we say Nike, so we know, when we say shoes, we know that is Nike. When we say toothpaste, it's Colgate. Diba? So, it's like that. Or people know about the brand, So that is a Shopify. So you need to have your own brand, and then the people or the customer will buy to you. So the seller or you will set up an online storefront. So meron kang sariling store online. So you will then select a product niche to dropship and sell. So in Shopify, so halimbawa, pag sinabing sa mga newbie, okay, so sorry, I will try to speak in English and Tagalog, because we have like a different viewers right now. So that's why I prepared also this presentation, so everyone can see or understand also what I'm saying. Okay, but Riyas Ali. Okay, so I'm just translating the English in Tagalog. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, so you will select a product niche to dropship and sell. So when we said niche is specialization. So parang ito yung pinaka specific na na category mo. So for example, you want to sell everything about babies. So that is your niche. Or everything about kitchen, so that is your niche. So this is Shopify. So what are the Shopify pros? Okay, so advantages. So this is easy to set up and can create your own brand. So of course, if you are creating a store, for example, specifically for niche is about kitchen, so you will know or you will think something that is from colors to fonts, everything is about kitchen. So that is your store. So quick connect to Facebook and other cross channel selling capability. So Shopify, is easy to connect or share to other social medias. So that's why, especially in Facebook, because that's what we are using to drive traffics. And then also we can share also into Pinterest, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Okay, ability to test out sample products. So for example, because this is your store, you have, the choices. You have, if for example in this, you have a, so let's talk about, your niche is about kitchen. So in those kitchen, there's a lot of, items that you can sell. So for example, like kitchen, dinnerwares, what else, like a knife, or everything, everything that you can see or you can sell, that is related to kitchen. So for example, your best selling, winning product that you think is about knife, a special knife. So if it doesn't work, it's easy to change, different product. So that's the good thing in Shopify dropshipping. So no monthly fees aside from Shopify fees. So because Shopify, we are paying like $29 per month, and then aside from that, we don't have any more fees. And so the other fees will be your Facebook ads or Pinterest ads, so all the advertisement fees, and also the fees that you're going to buy from your supplier. So those are only the fees. Okay, so Shopify cons or disadvantage. So there's no control over the suppliers. So especially, if we in Shopify, we usually use Chinese suppliers because of Chinese suppliers are more have a cheaper price, and they can, for example, if you want, or you are, your store is want to sell worldwide, okay, so Chinese suppliers can ship those items anywhere, okay. So that's the cost. The cons is you don't have a control, especially right now, is we still in the pandemic, the shipping time is more longer, so you don't have control with that. And also, especially if you have a lot of orders, you don't have also control, of course. The demand of your order will also cause, long work for your suppliers. So that's why you don't have control over that. So low profit. Why? Because you will do all the advertisement just to get sales, like what I said. So if ever you don't know how to do advertisement, sometimes it's not only low profit, mostly it's gonna be, negative. Okay, so another one is high competition. So because a lot of people now, doing Shopify dropshipping, so there's a big competition. And not only, those people that are doing dropshipping, but also the big brands. Because we are, we are doing advertisement in Facebook, in other social media, platform. So right now, that's the, of course, if there is like a, advertisement is like a bid. So if someone, gonna bid higher, which are the big brands, of course, it will also, the target market is not that big anymore. And if you want, to compete to those big brands, of course, you need to pay high. Okay. So prone to legal issues. So why is this prone to legal issues? Of course, because this is your brand. If ever there's something, that's gonna, affect the health of the customer, they can sue you. And also because this is your own brand, it will be directed to you. So that is the cons of the Shopify dropshipping. Okay, so how about Amazon and eBay? So you can see here, I put it all together because these are, the same. So Amazon and eBay are marketplace, is a marketplace of products where customers are driven by finding a product from sellers that can trust. Okay, so Amazon and eBay are marketplace. So it means you don't need to do um, advertisement anymore here. So, kasi ano na siya, marketplace. So, kumbaga, in Philippines, this is like a mall, the supermarket. You will go inside the supermarket, not supermarket, in the mall, and you will see there's a lot of boutiques there. Okay, so that is like a marketplace. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng marketplace. So, para siyang mall na madaming seller o madaming boutique. So you don't need to to connect this in your social media. You don't need to share this to social media. You don't need to do advertisement because people will go already there to find products. Or in other word also, Amazon and eBay are like Shopee and Lazada. Okay, so this is a good way to start getting sales in the short term to build a momentum. So for those people that they don't have also like, a capital for creating a website and also advertisement, so Amazon and eBay is very good to start. So why? So these are the pros. Free to set up. Okay, so eBay is free to set up. So if you are in US or in UK, so we can create free account on eBay. And with a large platform comes from traffic for little effort. So this is eBay first, ha. So for example, like me, I have eBay store. So what I'm always doing only there is just to list every day. So that is my effort. Like what I said, I don't need to do a lot of very in-depth research for my product. I will just test it like listing every day. And then if monthly it will not sell, I will just end that or replace that to other products. So with eBay buyer protection, buyers not worried about their money. So that's the pros because eBay, they are going to eBay. So people or customers that will buy on eBay, they have that peace of mind. They will not worried about their money because they know that eBay have their buyer protection, that there is like a free return. Also they have like if you are not satisfied to the to the seller or the product of the seller, they can open a case or claim. So that's how it is. So, and if you are a top rated seller, you can earn high profit. So it's like monthly we have like a performance rating. So and then if you reach the top rated seller, there are like percentage that very low that eBay will collect. So it means if it is low fees, so it means you have a high earnings. Okay, so eBay cons. So eBay monthly fees. So eBay have monthly fees. If you really want to because in free account you can only list like 50 items or like 1,000 credit limit. So once you are over with that, so you will need to pay monthly fees. So it depends to your subscription, and then plus PayPal fees. So every transaction or every sales, PayPal collects like 0.3 cents. Okay, so that's why we have peace with PayPal. So if you are new in eBay, your money will be held up to 21 days. So if you like that, so this is also the disadvantage. there's a big competition also. So within the, within the eBay marketplace. But of course, as a VA, that's what we are, we are teaching. I'm teaching, the techniques, the right techniques, how to do a product research. So that's why even we have 1,000, seller, competitors, we know how to give sales to our clients. Okay, so it also have monthly performance monitoring, like the shipping time, the uploading of tracking numbers, and customer service. So this is the cons. Unlike, in Shopify, you can create your own policies. But in eBay, eBay created, there is like a default already, policies there, that you will just follow, you need to follow. So that's why, and then we have monthly performance. So if you, become below standard, they will, sometimes they will suspend your account. They will flag you if you, if you list like a Vero account, or a copyrighted account, or you listed big brands items that you cannot list. So those are the disadvantage or cons of eBay. Okay, so Amazon cons or disadvantages. So Amazon have monthly fees. So you have also, you have a free account also in Amazon, but it's more better if you have the subscription on Amazon seller account, because it has more advantages also. So big competition also. But like what I said, for all my students, I teach them how to, to win the buybacks, how to, to compete those competitors to get sales. And also we have the monthly health performance monitoring, shipping, uploading, and tracking numbers, and customer service and claims. Okay. So what are the tools that we are using in Shopify? Okay, so let me show you first for those who are new. So this is Shopify. Okay, so this is Shopify. Okay, so you can see here. So this is very easy to use, because it's like so for example, this one. So this is my my store, so I have like different items here. So this one, my niche here is like a Christian store, so I have like mugs here, books, a Bible cover, kitchen. So that is the niche. Okay, so to make you, make it more easier to understand. Okay, so like this is connected with all my social media. So you can see here, I have like 3 social media here. So if you will click that, it will, direct to, the Facebook that also I'm sharing this, in Pinterest and also in Instagram. So that is Shopify. Okay, so this is eBay. So let me show you the eBay here. So you can see here, this is a platform. Okay, so there's 1,000 of sellers here that they sell new items, used items, and also like collectibles, vintage. So those are the items that you can sell here in eBay. So in Philippines, this is like a carousel. Okay, and then this is Amazon. Okay, so this is Amazon. So if you, if you watch last month, I have like a free webinar also all about Amazon. So you can see this is like a $1 billion marketplace. There are a billion or million of sellers also here that they are selling everything. So you can see here, there are, you can see the categories here. let's see, best sellers. So the categories from, you know, from pantry to everything, you know, so that's why they said A to Z, because everything are here. Okay. Okay, so let's go again here. Okay, I have a lot of, okay, here. Okay, so what are the tools that we are using? We can use in Shopify. So one is Overlaw. So this is Overlaw. So you will just install this in your app inside the Shopify, and then it will automatic help you, you know, to have, or, you know, import list from AliExpress. Okay, so like that. So actually right now they also have like yeah, so actually before you need to go to AliExpress first, and then they using the Chrome extension you will import those items. But right now Overlaw already have their own, you know, like suggested products already here. So it's gonna be easy for you, you know, because you will just import that from Overlaw to your Shopify. And also the other tool that we are using in product research is Ecom Hunt. So you can see here, this is free to use, you know, but it's very limited. And you can see here, so for example, if you are, you know, registered, you can like this, sell to with Overlaw. So we'll just click that, and then automatic it will upload to your store. And you can see here your profits, you know, from the selling price. So how much is the product cost and your profit margin. So Ecom Hunt helps you, you know, to find or winning product already, and then you will just set up everything in your store. Okay. Okay, so okay, next is tools what we use on eBay. So in our product research on eBay, we use Zik Analytics. So this is Zik Analytics. Okay, so so here we will just, you know, we use this in, you know, in local and, you know, Chinese suppliers. So this is what we are using in product research. So this also helps you, you know, to get also the right keywords, and also what are the winning products, or products that you more are trending or in demand in this month, so something like that. And then for our listing, okay, so we use, you know, clients use AutoDS. So you will just copy, you know, copy the URL link, and then you will just paste it here, and then it's automatic, it will show to your eBay store. So this is what we are using. The other tools that we are using in listing is the DSM tool. It's the same thing. You will just copy the URL and then paste it in DSM tool, and you know, you will just edit the title, the price, and everything that is important, specification, and then it will automatically list to your eBay account. So we also use Web Seller Guru. So the same thing also, you will just copy and paste the URL of the link of your supplier, and then it will list to your eBay store. Okay, for Amazon, these are the, you know, the tools that we are using. Jungle Scout. So the same thing also, we you know, with this, you know, we will search what are the items that are selling good in Amazon, and then it will show also what are, the what are the website or retailers that you can go through to check those items. The same also with Amazon Scout and also the Helium 10. So we can use this in product research for dropshipping. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so suppliers to use in Shopify. Okay, so in Shopify, because Shopify, you have the control of your store. So if you want to, to sell on US only, you do that. If you want to sell on UK, you can do that. Or if you want to sell worldwide, you can do that. So if you're going to sell worldwide, so mostly a client, will use AliExpress, because from AliExpress or from China, they will ship that to different countries. So that's why that is also one of our, suppliers that we are using. So you can see here, this is also a marketplace where you can find like 1,000 or million or items here. Okay, but the thing is, we have like our criteria also, how to get the right supplier, because of course in like this, for example, let's okay, so for example, resistant bands. So we will search with that. So in this resistant band, you will see how many, results you can see here, 31,000. So it means you will get, a lot of result here. So it's so hard, to know who are the good sellers here. So we have, criteria also that we follow, how to, to know who are those suppliers that are good to, to communicate or to, to be a supplier. Okay, so for example, like this, no e-packet. So important, this is a very important, because if there's no e-packet, so it means there's no tracking number, and tracking number is very important for us. So we can give the tracking number to the customers, so customer will track what is the status of their orders. So that's why, like that, we always go in this green e-packet. Okay, so what else? So we also go in Alibaba. So if your store, already have like 100 orders per day, so that's the time we started to talk also to the to the wholesalers, which is Alibaba, because for example, if you only have like 10, 15 orders, what we are usually using is AliExpress. But for example, like 100 already, so that's the time we contact suppliers in Alibaba. So the same thing also, as a VA, we do also follow, criteria, how we know that this supplier is a good supplier, so we also, I teach also that, So another, we also use like Spacket. So actually in Spacket, you can, find here US suppliers also. So like that, they will suggest you what are the, other, wholesaler or retailers that you can, connect to your, whenever you have like orders. Okay, so next is supplier to use on eBay. Okay, so how are you guys doing? I hope I'm not too fast. If you have any questions, just type it in the comment, and I will go through later on after my presentation. Okay, supplier to use on eBay. So because also eBay eBay have option that you can ship, you know, local market and also worldwide. So that's why we also use AliExpress. So the same thing, AliExpress, but we don't use Alibaba, you know, because it's or unless we will buy like a bulk and ship it to our warehouse and then like that. But mostly if drop shipping, you know, like drop shipping, we only use AliExpress in on eBay. And then the retailers in the US. So what are those? So like this, the Walmart, Home Depot, and also Sam's Club. So actually more than this three. So actually I have videos about that. You know, I will share it to you, my YouTube channel, where you can find, you know, those videos. So yeah, so later on. So how about suppliers to use on Amazon? So what we only use in Amazon is US retailers. Why? Because, you know, actually Amazon, they really don't allow drop shipping. But, you know, that's why we, you know, we find something, you know, that is that can accommodate, or they can, you know, fall into the policy of Amazon, because Amazon, they really push to do FBA. So what is FBA? Fulfilled by Amazon. But of course, there's a lot of, you know, sellers that they do drop shipping in Amazon. So in drop shipping in Amazon, what we usually use, you know, that is really, you know, follow the policies of the Amazon is Walmart and Home Depot. So that's why we only suggest US retailers. Okay, so questions. Okay. So let's see who are here. Okay, so if there's a Okay, so here, Esperanza, Pangasinan. Okay, yeah, so Neri, hi Neri from Batangas. Rias, Ali, hello. Thank you for watching. Okay, Rhea, batch 2. Pat, expat, pwede po ba mag-Shopify dito sa Pilipinas? Yes, actually, a lot of Filipino already are doing drop shipping, you know, in the Philippines. And I know other people that already successful with that. Actually, I have a student on eBay that he is already doing drop shipping. And I'm happy for him, because he looks like he's getting, you know, sales, you know. Okay, so Maria newbie, Jeanette newbie, Maricel, Aserejet newbie. Okay, Robin Raven from Cebu. Yan, Amazon and Alibaba. Okay, available po ba eBay dito sa Pinas? Okay, so Miss Esperanza, I really don't, you know, I'm not sure if there are, you know, Filipino that already successful on eBay drop shipping. But you can access eBay if you are a virtual assistant, because we have like a multi-user access account that you can access that from your location, and do the you know, the listing, the customer service, the order fulfillment using your eBay location there, you know, the ebay.ph, and then the store of your client. But I really don't know. I don't have wala pa akong narinig na eBay sellers in the Philippines. Or maybe meron, you know, because actually I have like students that they tried, but I don't know now what happened. Okay, so Jeanette. Amazon ang niche ko ngayon sa Amazon Virtual Assistant. Then, I want to know more about product listing. Okay. Yeah, Jeanette, I have, like last month, I have a free webinar about all about Amazon. So, please check, my YouTube channel or in this page, and you can check that. So, Yan said, many are looking for virtual assistant. Yes. So, Robin, if below standard account ng eBay account will have certain limitations. Yes, correct. Yeah, because if you are below standard, yeah, you have a lot of limitations already. Like what they call this? Like you have some products that you cannot list. You cannot also increase your credit selling limits, like that. So explain the difference between dropshipping and wholesaling in terms of Amazon. Actually, I have that video in my Rias Ali. I have video that last month. So check in my page or in my YouTube channel. So are you still looking for a VA? No, I'm not looking for a VA right now. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Crystal, drop shipping is the method of shipping products. Yes, thank you for answering that, Miss Crystal, one of my students. Okay, do you have separate tutorial for product research on eBay and Amazon? Yes, actually, let me show you my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you can see here, I have here, my videos. Okay, so if you will check like playlist here, I have playlist here. Okay, let me see. So I have here about Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, and then I have also like the free webinars also. eBay. I have eBay here. So yeah, so you can see I have like 34 videos already on eBay. Yeah, so feel free to check my YouTube channel. Okay, yung Shopify po, pag ginamit overload automatic dropshipping po ba yun? Do we have choices? Okay, yeah, so in Shopify, that is your store, or that is the platform that you're going to use to build your own store. And then yung overload, application lang siya to get or to connect or to import products. So ikaw ang mag-choose or ikaw ang pipili ng items na gusto mong i-list sa Shopify mo. Okay, any specific product hunting criteria for Amazon wholesale and dropshipping? Okay, so for this, Rias, I have separate video for this. So just message me. I can share you videos, materials for you. So do we have replay? I think it will will replay. This is recorded. So how can we flourish our skill of VA for Amazon, which is tougher part being a VA of Amazon? So yeah, actually, Riaz, I'm coaching, or we have a course in Amazon, eBay, and also Shopify in Filipino Virtual Assistant. So those are all pre-recorded videos, and we also have like live sessions weekly, and then that is in English, so don't worry. So if you really want to know about virtual assistant, you can message me and I will send you more details about it. So, yes, this is recorded. Okay, so do we need to pay anything if we pursue dropshipping? What are the requirements? Okay, so like what I said in Shopify, actually you really don't have like a big requirements or documentation for that, so But of course, you will need the money, for every time someone will gonna buy, you need the money to buy it first, because nga like what I said in on eBay and Amazon, they will hold your funds until the product is delivered to the client. So that's why that is you have money, investment. Actually, not investment, money to roll on that, to buy and to buy products when it's already sold. But for eBay and Amazon, they really look as documents for that. So that's why I believe, Amazon, you can do Amazon, like online selling there. But like what I said nga, in Amazon, they really don't allow dropshipping. But meron lang talagang mga sellers na nakakaligtas. Because nga, we do something or we follow techniques para hindi malaman ni Amazon. Okay. So, can I know what are the criteria in dropshipping? Okay, so I have video also there, and I think later on I can share something to you guys na how do you know if this is a dropshipping. Okay, let's see. Yeah, if you want to learn more about dropshipping or eBay, Amazon, Shopify, let me know, and just message me here in the page, and I will message you. Oh, very informative. Thank you, Yan. Okay, so pwede bang mag-dropshipping mga OFWs based in ibang countries? Actually, yes, but I think it's more easier for you to do dropshipping is Shopify. Why? Because yung eBay and Amazon, they have like IP, location. So, nare-read nila pag ibang bansa ka. And then they block you. Sometimes they block you. Kasi, for example, if you are in Taiwan, and you're going to sell in Amazon, in the US, or you're gonna do dropshipping in US, so hindi mo magagawa yun kasi alam ni Amazon and eBay yun. Dahil alam nila, nare-read nila yung location mo. So, what will happen after 14 days trial and Shopify didn't pay the fee? Okay, so pag di ka nag-pay, mawawala o ma-deactivate yung store mo. So, dami po job posting but they need with experience. Yes, Cecilia, so that's why, in our course, we have apprenticeship, we offer apprenticeship na kung saan you really do work after your course. And also, during the course also, you already doing the on-hand exercise. Or we have like portfolio assignments na talagang ginagawa mo yung mga techniques and yung process, yung pinaka-skills mo. Okay, so what is the difference between product research and product lister and title builder? Okay, so product research is nagre-research ka ng product. You are the one who going to research it. Product lister is you're the one who going to list the item. And product title builder, that's only a website that you're going to use to get the keywords, the right keywords for your title. So, yun siya. Okay. So, do you also teach on how to manual research and winning product for eBay, Amazon? Yes, we all of that, the product research, all are included in the lesson. Okay. Ano po ang focus job ng isang product lister? Kapag VA ang in-applyan mo sa e-com, ano ang dapat mong i-focus sa aralin? Okay. So, the good thing in our course, we give you everything from product research, listing, order fulfillment, tracking of orders, uploading of tracking numbers, also the customer service. So you know everything that. Malalaman mo yan, matututunan mo yan. So it depends only to the client kung ano yung gusto nila or what are they are looking for. So sometimes, you know, there are eBay sellers that they only want people to list a product. So, you know, sometimes they will just ask you like 2 to 3 hours per day work. So, ma-maintain lang yung product listing nila every day. So, kaya it depends to the needs of the client. Pero yun nga, it's better you will learn everything. So, kaya, if for example, si client A, listing lang ang kailangan niya. Si client B, they want a customer service. So, if you know all of those skills, you can offer that to client A and client B. So, something like that. Okay. So, do you have classes for Amazon? Yes, we have course. Okay, so how do other VAs manage to work with multiple Amazon seller clients? Hindi ba magiging issue yung mga open different seller accounts as isang IP? Okay, so good question, Yula. Okay, so for example, like me. So, I am also a seller and I have also other clients. So, this is what my technique. So, I have here different accounts or users, you know, Chrome users. Okay, so for example, this is what for my client, this is for my what do you call this, my client also, this is my personal, this is also for my other client, this is also my other client. So you can see different user, Chrome user, it gives you also different IP address. Okay, so that's the secret. So you will not mix up to the other, you know, clients. So, for example, pag inopen mo, katulad nito, this is my, you know, my eBay account. So, I will not open this eBay account to my other client's eBay account. Kasi, makikita ng eBay yon. So, that's why, that's my technique, you know, para hindi malaman, you know, ng Amazon and eBay na you are, you know, working with different clients. Okay, so pwede ba gawin dito sa based on marketing advertiser? Can you elaborate, Archel? What do you mean in this marketing advertiser? Okay, so Shopify po needed may niche talaga. Hindi po pwede ibang winning products. Okay, so like what I said, you know, Shopify is like a brand, you know. So when you said Nike, diba? What are the products of Nike? Shoes, you know, athletic clothing. So they don't, you know, they focus only in their brand, kung ano yung pinoportray ng brand nila. Kasi when we think about Nike, so it means like athletic shoes, athletic clothing. So kaya yun lang din ang binibigay or ginagawa ni Nike. So the same thing to us, when you have your niche, you know, people, you know, customers will easily remember you kasi isa lang yung ino-offer mo. So halimbawa, you are a baby niche. So for example, like Babies R Us. So it means all their products are all for babies, you know? So mabilis siyang matandaan. Okay. So, do you have tutorial course in handling product problems in Amazon? Yes, yeah, it's also included in our course. Coach in Amazon, how to maintain good health performance? Is there other way to make a good? Kasi at risk for the activation and ang account. Okay. So, good question, Arlene. Yeah, so you need to check first, you know, what are the, you know, the reason of the activation. So, makikita mo dyan yung health performance niya. So, for example, late shipping time. So, of course, you need to, you know, to improve that shipping. So, kasi sa Amazon, you know, Amazon only give us like a specific handling time. So for example, Amazon will give you 4 days handling day or handling time. So kailangan in that 4 days na-ship mo na yung product. So that's you need to, to improve. And also sometimes the tracking number. So if you upload, tracking number that that is wrong, because sometimes, in a dropshipping we use fake tracking numbers, kasi nga we are after with the shipping time. So sometimes yung mga retailers or suppliers hindi nag-ship agad. So that's why we need backup like a fake tracking numbers na kailangan i-upload. So sometimes that's the important, VA should update the tracking number. So dapat alam mo 'yun. Alam mo yung mga accounts or mga orders na in-upload mo ng fake number, and then kailangan i-update mo siya. Kasi malalaman yan kasi hindi mariread ng Amazon ang shipping what do you call this? Yung shipping information. Okay. Okay, so do you need to pay products for Shopify kahit wala pang nag-order? No, that's the good thing in dropshipping kasi you will buy the item when someone already buy it. So bibilin mo lang siya pag meron nang bumili. So that's the good thing. At hindi mo kailangan bumili ng stock. Okay, so Joseph, paano mag-enroll? You can PM us, para masend namin yung details paano. Can I become apprentice in your market? Okay, so Charles, that is included to our course. So this apprenticeship is apprenticeship is exclusive for the students, our students in FBA. Okay, so hi Hannah, one of my students. Good, appreciate your efforts. Thank you, Riaz. Okay. Okay, so let me show you. I will share to you how, to know. Okay, here. So let me show you example how to know if this is a drop shipping product. Okay, so let's focus first in Amazon and eBay. Okay. So I will talk in English because we have international watchers here, viewers, okay? So for example, let's go here in Walmart, and then okay, let's find something here. Okay, let's go with okay, Pioneer Woman. Okay, so this Pioneer Women is exclusive brand of Walmart. So in the Philippines, pag sinabing SM Supermalls, ang exclusive brand nila is supermarket. The SM Supermarket. So yun siya. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay, so let's see this one. So actually, in dropshipping also, this is like a copy-paste work, okay? So that's why if you are really newbie, I always recommend if you really want e-commerce, it's better to start an eBay because it's more easier to understand and more easier, to do also. So for example, like this, copy this, the title, and then let's go to eBay. So make sure we are in the front, eBay store or dashboard, and then paste it there. So you can see here, so this is also the difference of eBay and Amazon. So you can see here, when you put the, the title of the product, you will see how many results or listing that you can see here. So you can see here 69. So it means it will be like 69 sellers that are selling also this. While in Amazon, if we will paste it here, so Amazon only have one listing, you know, so one item. You can see here it's already different, okay? So one listing, but you can see here in this one listing, if you will click this, there are 32 sellers that are competing. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so like that. So you can see here this one. Okay, sorry, okay, so you can see here there are the TK Marketplace, RNR, US, and so on. So you can see the difference. One listing use you know, with 32 sellers, but on eBay you can see 69 results which are 69 sellers. You can see here, so that's why you can see sometimes they using the same pictures, the front picture, and then sometimes they use, you know, different just to make it different. Also like this, also something like this. Someone, you know, remove the background to make it more different also to other sellers. Some also put something like this, sell and free shipping. So because you need to be stand out, you know, in this on eBay, because like what I said, you know, 69 sellers or listing, so you need to compete to those sellers. Okay, the difference naman in Amazon, you need to compete in the buy box. Okay, so this is the buy box. So the buy now. So whoever, you know, whoever have the buy box, so that's the seller who going to, you know, get the sale. Unlike here in you know, in eBay, you know, sellers can check each of this, you know, unlike in Amazon, only the, you know, the seller who have the buy now will get the sale. Okay, so that's the you know, that's the drop shipping. So for example, like this one, okay, we check, you know, they have the same picture. You see, they have the same picture, they have the same picture, so it means this is drop shipping. So how you can know also that this is also drop shipping? The description. So let's see the description here. So features like that. So if you will go in one of the listing here, okay, so you can see the description. You see, you will just they will just copy, you know, you will just copy and paste this. So copy that. You see how all the words here are copied, you know, and also here. So how about in Amazon? Okay, so Amazon is the one, you know, create the listing, so you can see it's not really, you know, the same as eBay. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, so that's why for me, you know, it's always, you know, I always recommend, if you really want to start, you know, or to, you know, to start doing e-commerce VA, start on eBay course. And then from that, you know, you can jump or you can add Amazon Virtual Assistant, because Amazon is really different platform, and you will see it's really different techniques also in listing and also in product research. Okay, so let's see. Okay, paano po if bago lang ang store ni client? Ilang items po ang kailangan i-list per month? Okay. So, Miss Mylene, good question. So, if are you talking about eBay? Because on eBay, we usually do is like 5 listing per day. Because the important on eBay and also in Amazon is actually on eBay is the daily activity inside the store. So that's why we always advise to the client to list items daily, at least 5 from if you're started. Okay, so Lini. Okay, thank you po. Very informative. Pag newbie ka, parang ang hirap digest. Yeah, it's very, but like what I said, feel free to check my webinars because I have webinars here that it's really, I discuss one by one, so for example, okay, so for example, here, webinar, yeah, like this. So if you can see here, so in my list of my webinars, you can see here, free webinar about e-commerce virtual assistant. So I discussed here, what are the tasks of virtual assistant, what are, virtual assistant, doing, and also here, what is online arbitrage. Here I have interview with Paul J. Lipsky. So he is coaching, eBay and Amazon dropshipping. So actually, I bought a course to him, and I found it really great, and because I applied that in my store also, and also to my clients, and we really, I saw the the effectiveness of his technique. So actually, that's the technique that he taught, us. That's also the techniques I'm sharing to my students. That once you list the item, it's like 2 days, 3 days, already have sales. So yeah, and my students know that, so that's why I'm that's why I'm confident, to share, the course that we have in FBA, because it's really, it's really actual, we do that by experience. Okay, so we also have here, if you want to know about Amazon virtual assistant, I have here like a introduction, also and also what are the revenue model inside Amazon, which are dropshipping, arbitrage, wholesaling, and private labeling. So you will learn that also here. Yeah, so feel free, to subscribe in my channel, and for sure you will learn something there. Okay, hindi ba man parang super risky ang dropshipping po in Amazon? Yes, that's why nga, there are sellers that they are really really careful. But like what I said, we have techniques that we are following. So that's why sellers, that's why there's a lot of Amazon sellers are looking for virtual assistant, because they want, to help them to manage their store. So that's why to lessen also the risk of the dropshipping. Okay, so paano po magbayad ng method ng dropshipping? Okay, so of course in Shopify, there's already set up payment method there. So for example, they can pay by PayPal, credit card, or Apple Pay, Google Pay, so like that. The same thing also with eBay and Amazon. So they connect, their credit card there, their PayPal, to pay, to pay us or the seller. Coach, saan po makita yung mga classes and payment? As Ms. Esperanza, please message me, so we can send you the details of the course. Can we open the Shopify? Yes, I already answered that. How to win product? Okay, so we have also, a course about Shopify. So if you want to know more about that, message us and we will send you details about Shopify. Okay, is a pioneer woman is this included in the Vero? So we okay, my baby is awake. Okay, so uh, actually, I have also video here about Vero, so you can check that also. Yeah, and to my student, I give them list of Vero items and also items that you do not list in Amazon. Coach, may mga bayad po ba ang nabanggit mong tools site for ad listing? Yes, and those tools are provided by your client. So, hindi ikaw ang bibili niyan or hindi ikaw magsusubscribe. So, client will provide those tools. But like what I said, in our lesson, just doing manual listing, we know already how to get sales. So that's why, also, but it depends, how big is the store of your client. So if the store is a big store already, so mostly they are using tools like that. Okay, pwede po ba newbie ang e-com course? Yes, you can. So for newbie, I like what I said, more advisable is the eBay. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so everyone are asking for the, for the, about the course. So how to become an e-commerce virtual assistant? Of course, you need the right attitude. So if you really want to be a virtual assistant, you really need the attitude that you will, you really want this course, no? Because, e-commerce is really sometimes it's difficult if you really and to understand if you're if that is not your passion or you're not don't have interest in e-commerce, but if you have the right attitude that you are willing to learn with this, even na ayaw mo siya, because I'm telling you guys, e-commerce is very in demand right now, because actually here in the US, we're going to have a lockdown again on Monday. So that's why, online selling is a big thing. E-commerce is really a big thing. So that's why, even you don't want this, you need to be in this niche, because this is the in demand right now. Okay, you need to have the right skill. So how you will get the right skill? Of course, you need to know what are the techniques in product research, product listing, customer service. So everything that, we have that in our course, and you need to have the support. So the support is from me. So I will not, if you are my student, I will not stop, or I will not, leave you until you get your first client or your first contract. And my students know that, So here are my, some of the, feedbacks of my students. So actually, one of this, he said that he already watched several videos and tutorials in YouTube, pero hindi niya maintindihan. They don't understand. But once they enrolled here in FBA, doon alam niya na. Kasi nga, everything are available in YouTube, but you are the one who going to, put it all together. Kasi hindi naman sila, hindi siya sunod-sunod. Unlike in a course, from start to finish, you will learn that. Hindi mo na kailangan, mag-puzzle ka, And also, be careful also in YouTube. Right now, there's a lot of fake gurus na they will just do videos that they think, people, they think that they are real, but no. They don't show real, real, what they call this, real result, Kasi nga, they were just doing videos just to sell their course, But if you will see my, videos, I always show, I always do my videos inside, inside in my stores, in actual tools that I'm using, so you will see that. Okay, so these are some of my, students' feedback. So right now we have early Christmas treat. So before, the regular price is 5,000 for eBay and online arbitrage virtual assistant. So in early Christmas treat, this is only 2,000. For Shopify, regular is 4,000. We have Christmas treat 2,000. And for Amazon, before this is 5,000, the regular price, and right now this is 3,000. Okay. Okay, so if we don't have any more questions, like what I said, feel free to message me in this page, and I will, our team, will answer all your questions. Okay, so for now, I want to share this, verse to everyone, Proverbs 10, verse 22. So the blessing of the Lord brings wealth without painful toil for it. So, right now in the time of pandemic, we see that, there's a lot of people, actually here in the US, there's a lot of people that, depressed, losing hope, but you know what? God's blessing, God's grace is always enough every day. We just need to, to see, what are the things, that we have right now. What are the opportunities that we have right now? And those are the blessings from the Lord. We just need to see, the opportunities that we have, and, that actually, how God is, so good, that He is protecting us, in this pandemic, how God is also opening opportunities for us that we can, who knows, like in the Philippines, that, there is how many of you, newbies, that you just know that you can work from home and get clients from different countries. So those are the opportunities, the blessing from the Lord. So yeah, so that's why I'm encouraging you now. I'm not offering this free webinar to sell this this course, but like what I said, if you have questions, you can message me anytime. As long as I'm awake, I can message you or reply to you. But like what I said, we are offering opportunities for you to work from home, because we know, the benefits of working from home. You will be more safer and be with your family while you are earning money. Okay, so thank you everyone, for being with me today, especially for those who are newbie. I hope you guys, like my page, and feel free to check all my videos, my webinars, in my page or in my YouTube channel, and stay connected. I always, I always respond. Don't worry. I'm not a snub person, and my passion also to help people, to help Filipino people, in this time of pandemic. Okay, thank you very much again, and stay safe and God bless. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye,
Say bye-bye, everyone.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah.